Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix snipping tool auto screenshot issue in Windows 11. First method is turn off, use the print screen key to open screen capture. Second method is change snipping tool settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.